welcome back to the channel. I always start my videos in my truck, so I wanted to switch it up today. I'm at my house now, I'm about to head to the shop, and today is the day I'm gonna reveal the secret piece of technology that I'm installing into the car, and we're gonna get the GT style dash installed. If you remember a while back, I did a video designing my GT style dash panel. Steve from Abstrakt Engineering came over, mocked the whole thing up. I mocked it up first in cardboard, and then he put it into the CAD and made it. It exists now, and today we're gonna be putting it on the dash. I'm so excited because in this GT style panel that we mocked up is where the secret piece of technology is gonna go. I will reveal the technology very, very soon, but first, let's get to the shop. We have a game plan here. So my dash has never been like fully supported since I installed it. It shakes around, it doesn't have any sort of support whatsoever besides being connected there and over there. So before we install like the GT style panel, we're gonna fully secure the dash on. This is gonna come forward enough to push out the dash, because right now it's folding in. It'll be one giant piece welded to the roll cage there too. I'm sure we'll end up securing it to the dash with like a screw or bolt or something right here, maybe right here as well. So we're gonna start working on that, mocking it up, and see what it looks like. That's a good length.
Yeah, we welded together.
Really nice.
Come here, bro. Yes, sir.
Roll time.
Roll time. Just wedge it in.
That's good. There we go.
Steve, Abstract, how's it going? We got Colette's dash right here. She mocked it up out of cardboard. So we took all that, we drew it on CAD CAM, got the program set, and we machined everything out right here. So it's all in pieces, but we put it together. So it's basically made out of 6061 T6 aluminum with some acrylic inside right here. So we don't put too much weight on her special tablet. We're getting ready to install it, so let's see how it looks.
So pretty. You knew not to say what it was yet. I haven't revealed what the technology is, so you're like, oh, the special tablet. Hey. And you had this painted.
Oh yeah, we did a special aerospace grade paint. So it's one paint they use in an Apache helicopter.
On helicopters?
Yeah, helicopters, planes.
It's so pretty. Yeah, abstract. So excited to use your new tool. Alright, so how are we going to connect this? Oh, you already have the bolts in the top.
You know, mark the hole, that's it.
Okay. Sweet. So we're going to secure the top with tabs, and is there any more tabs?
Oh, the bottom. These ones.
Oh, the very bottom. Okay. Now it's a race car. Oh, that's so awesome. Whatever. The secret with whatever goes in there, still it's so cool.
So excited.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Okay, we have the magic technology here, right? This is the big reveal. No one knows what it is yet. Do you even know what it is? You do.
I saw Microsoft on that.
Microsoft? Is it Microsoft? What? Okay. Alright, the reveal. The secret piece of technology is, well, bam! Microsoft Surface Pro. So Steve custom made this to fit the Surface Pro right in here. So we're gonna fit it now. Only Steve knew what the secret technology was. Okay, so there's one more piece that's gonna be in here, and then we're gonna secure it with Velcro. Yeah. Right? Velcro. And then a tab to pop it out. Okay, so Velcro is gonna go in the back, a tab there, and whoa, bam! Oh my god!
Damn, that
Oh! Oh snap!
That looks so good.
Look at that, perfect fit. Good job, Steve.
Thank you.
Hashtag Abstrakt Engineering.
Yep.
Hashtag excellent. Oh, so good. That is literally like the perfect size.
You made your own Tesla.
Right? This totally looks like the inside of a Tesla now.
Tesla, yeah.
A smart drift car. I wonder if this is the first smart drift car.
Right.
Maybe.
Probably.
Maybe. The ECU is definitely going to be hooked up to here, so we can maybe even tune too on the go. Just be drifting and tuning, be like, ah.
Watching Hulu or something. Or
so Adaptronic, oh yeah, Netflix. So Adaptronic will be hooked up to this. I'm probably going to also hook up my GoPros. So like when I'm on the track, I can control it all from here. Maybe control like underglow, change the color. Maybe
fog machine.
Yeah, fog machine button. Oh my god, it looks so good. Look at that. Maybe the like title of the video should be like, I made a smart drift car.
There you go.
Even though everyone's gonna be pissed as I waited till the very end to tell them. Because I already was like, today you'll find out the secret technology, and then I waited till the end. But it looks so good. Steve, you're amazing. Thank you. I love it.
You're welcome. I'll beat yourself.
I love it. I'm gonna cry. This is so awesome.
That's a perfect fit.
Will it fit? Anticipation? All the anticipation. Bam. Ooh. These have really good cameras on them, so I can already just get driver facing on board so easily. Oh yes, that's such a good driver angle. It'll be like right here, shredding.
Hell yeah.
So this,
it's a, once you put the tablet in there, it doesn't.
Oh, this secures it.
Yeah.
So okay, so once this goes in, then this metal piece goes on the outside. Oh, perfect. So then it's like double secure. Like there's no way it's coming out, basically.
Yeah.
It'll look built in.
Yeah. So then you have the opening for the USB and charger, right? Yeah. So now you know the secret piece of technology that is now no longer secret, I guess, which is my Microsoft Surface Pro. I've actually been working with Microsoft for the past year on a few different campaigns. You might have seen me in some of the Microsoft stores across the US, and we currently have an ad running on the Staples Center billboard. It has truly been an incredible experience working with Microsoft. I've been completely switched over to all of their products now for the past year, and I'm absolutely loving them. And of course, from loving their products, I wanted to build one of them into my actual drift car, and they got on board with the idea and are actually really excited about it. So now that we have this installed, you know, we're gonna really start to figure out all the capabilities that we can put into my Surface Pro for the drift car. Obviously with Adaptronic ECU, we're gonna be able to do tuning on there. I'll have a bunch of the electronic gauges that I can see while I'm driving. I mentioned I'll probably hook up my GoPro to be controlled from this as well. Maybe even some like underglow electronic coilovers. Maybe I can program them in here too. I don't know. So there's a bunch of stuff that I'm gonna start exploring with this, but I am so excited to be able to talk about this now. It was hard keeping it a secret. Literally only Steve knew, because I gave him this so that he could make sure everything fit. I'm so excited. Again, this is just another unique factor that I wanted to do with my build. Everything that I'm putting into this build is exactly what I want. I'm so lucky to have, you know, partners like Microsoft and friends like Steve with Abstrakt Engineering that can just engineer the coolest stuff and engineer things to make my dreams come true. I'm in love with how everything's come together. I basically have a smart drift car now. We'll just say that. I have a smart drift car now thanks to Microsoft. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes. I am starting to be, you know, home a little bit more, not on the road as much with Monster Jam in the next coming months. So I'm definitely gonna start putting out videos more often. My channel recently got like a little bump in subscribers and views for my videos, so I appreciate all the support. We're just getting started. I feel like I say that all the time, but it's so true. We haven't even hit the track yet, but we are getting so close. So thank you guys for the support. I'm working on pumping out a lot more videos for you guys, and I will see you next time.